If in our first video we have been concentrating on Trello, today we can take a deeper look at another great tool pack, Google Workspace. When it comes to time and team management, Google Workspace is your friend for sure. For small businesses, this platform offers various useful functions, such as communication tools, cloud storage, calendar, the possibility to create joint content, activity planning, budgeting or inventory, the possibility to create free presentations website, analysis, questionnaires, registration forms, presentations, and many more. From all these functions, today we will concentrate on those dedicated especially for time and team management. All the functions presented in this video can be accessed by simply creating an email account on Gmail. Once you have a Gmail account, you can access these tools from the right top menu in Google Apps. First of all, let's take a deeper look at the main communication tools you can use in Google Workspace. Gmail is a free web-based email service that provides users with a gigabyte of storage for messages and can be used for small business owners for both internal and external digital communication. In Gmail, you can organize your emails in various subfolders by simply going to Categories and clicking on Creating a new label. Afterwards, whenever you receive an email, you can move it to any previously created folder. Except Gmail, you can also use Google Meets for communication, more exactly for video conferencing. Access Google Meets from the Google Apps menu and tap on the New Meeting button to start planning your video conference. From here, you can schedule a meeting for later, start a meeting straight away, or even plan a meeting to be included on your calendar. Afterward, you can just copy the meeting link, share it with the others by email, and enjoy this function. After getting to know the communication functions, let's take a look at the calendar. The calendar can be a great way to set up your events, but also the deadlines you have to meet. From the Google Apps tab, click on the Calendar function. As a first step, I recommend creating a calendar for each sub-activity or project that you carry on in your business. Go to Other Calendars, click on the plus function, and click on the Create New Calendar button. Add a name and a description and save your calendar. Repeat the process for every project you carry on. For every calendar, you can set up the team who will have access to it. Go to the calendar, click on Share with specific people, and add the email addresses of the members you want to add. Once these steps are done, you can view all your sub-calendars under one page. In order to create an event or add a deadline, double-click on the particular day when the event starts, add a title to your activity, and set up the date or period when it's happening. By setting up a notification, you and your invited members will be reminded about that activity on email. Under the Calendar tab, you can choose under which sub-calendar this task should appear on. You can also add a description like an agenda, a description of tasks to be done, a checklist, or other information. At the end, if you want other people to be invited to your event or to know about the task, you can invite them under the Guests tab. Click on Save at the end, and your event is set up. Please also notice that you can view your calendar in more formats, for example daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Now that the calendar and the main communication features were presented, let's take a closer look at cloud storage. The most useful storage function I recommend for small businesses is Google Drive. Here you can have various folders for your projects or sub-activities. It's very easy to use, but at the same time it's versatile. In order to set up storage folders, access Google Drive from the Google Apps menu. Tap on the New Folder button, add a title to your folder, and click on Create. Once a folder is created, you can drag and drop documents to it from your computer, create Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, or any other type of features useful to carry on your job. If you want more people to have access to your folder, double-click on it, go to the side down arrow, and select the Share function. Add the email address of the person and set up the permissions of access. Please note that editors can organize, add, or edit the files from the folders. Commenters can view files and add comments, while viewers can only view the files but can't contribute to them at all. As a last step, add a notification message to the members and click on Send. The people you are sharing your folders with will receive an email notification about it. Finally, Google Workspace also helps you in working on common files with other people. The most commonly used features are Google Docs and Google Sheets. Both file types will ease collaboration with your team members, since you can work from any device, the saving is automatic, and every team member will see immediately what their colleagues wrote in the files. As an example, small business owners can work on Google Docs to create a common social media post together with their marketing experts, or can work together on a financial analysis together with their accountants on Google Sheets. Google Docs and Sheets can both be accessed from the Google Apps menu. Click on Start a new document, add a title, and share the document with your members from the Share button. Add their email addresses, set up permissions, a message, and send your invite. When a file is ready, you can also download it to your computer from the Files Download button. Below this video, you will find several examples of files you can create with Google Docs and Google Sheets, like SWOT analysis, Gantt tables, or management plans. Set up your Google Workspace and enjoy it in your business every day.